Hey guys, Paul from Modern. Now, here in Philadelphia, it looks like spring's finally arrived. And with that come a few certainties. Number one, grass is going to get green, it's going to have to get mowed, flowers are coming up, and my phone's going to start blowing up from phone calls from customers because their machines are vapor locking, the machines aren't running right, the machines are shutting off on them. The same story every year. Guys, here's how you prevent that. Here's how you make sure you can keep making money right now when you need to be doing so. Service. All right, we all know what happens. Wintertime, we all do the same thing. We scrimp as much as we can. We try and drag out the last little bit of money and use out of those chains. Same thing with the services. We go back and look, that machine probably has not been serviced since probably back in October, maybe November. All right, and we end up running a lot more in the wintertime than we actually think we did. So what happens is, it's preponderance of everything. It's usually never one item. It's a whole bunch of things that all come together to cause the machine shutting off, to cause that vapor lock. So we end up with a fuel filter that hasn't been changed. And as that fuel filter continues to clog up, it gets more efficient, which means it allows less fuel through. Now, when it's allowing less fuel through, that fuel is used as a heat sink to pull it out of the fuel rail system. So now we're getting less fuel, less coolant, and we start getting hotter fuel rail temperatures. Same thing with the air filters. Those air filters, we've been running the same ones. We haven't changed out that inner air filter. We haven't, right? Same thing there. And think about when we all had to be walking around wearing masks. It made life really difficult in the summertime wearing a mask while we're dragging brush and climbing and all the rest, right? Because we couldn't breathe well. Same thing happens with your engine, all right? So replace those filters. Finally, oil. Again, the oil, because of the RPMs we're running, the loads we're running on these engines, the temperatures and all the rest, that oil gets carbonized and needs to be replaced much more frequently. As these services should be being done every 150, maximum 200 hours. And I don't care if it's a gas engine, it's a diesel engine, they all have similar issues that require that service in an extreme duty application. That's what a chipper's in, it's extreme duty. They need to be doing these services 150, 200 hours. So, want to keep your machines so you're not having that vapor lock, having that shutdown, having those no starts? Real simple. Change your filter, fuel filter, change your oil filter, change the air filters, both in and out, change the oil. By the way, also, you probably haven't changed the hydraulic filter in the last year. Now's a good time to go and grab the hydraulic filter. Get that replaced as well. Get those items done. Your chances of having a problem go down the whole lot. While you're in there, that would also be a perfect time, because when's the last time you cleaned out that radiator? Get compressed air, blow that radiator out. Guys, let's get ahead of it. Now, you need filters, you need service, give us a call. You need those parts, hop on our e-com. We'll put the e-com link down below. Our parts guys will be happy to get you taken care of, get you the right components, get them shipped out to you, so you can keep running the spring. Guys, I appreciate your time. And as always, if there's something we can do to help you out, please let us know.